this just tells here that God is so concerned for every little creation He has made. Even the sparrows. Yung sparrows, napakamaliit lang yan. Parang maya. Di ba, ang dami nila? Hindi mo na sila pinapansin. Nandiyan lang sila. Sa Israel yata, nung binebenta sila noon, 1 penny lang. Pero bawat isa sa kanila, no matter how indistinct bang term doon, no matter how we feel na, wala, may ibon lang yan, di ba? Mga gala lang yan, di ba? Pero bawat isa sa kanila precious sa Panginoon. What more you? You are worth more than many sparrows. So God wants you to know, I love you, and I always have. You are worthy. Okay, next point. Find your true worth in what God